traders, this is Rick with your futures trading coach. Aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Monday, October 1st, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room we had, we stuck to the NASDAQ just to keep things simple. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 possible entries. Had some really nice trades. In fact, one's still going, although we already closed the room. I'm going to go through them really quick from left to right. First short was a ZL, and that was at around 17, 939 candle. And I told everybody that it was going to try to come back. They were going to test the 14s, and it was critical that they closed below and got below the 14s. I said if they keep buying off the 14s, it was going to not follow through. So make sure you take profits. Give it room if you want, or lock in profits. Trade made about 12, 13 ticks, right down to the 14s. And was bouncing around, so didn't want to hit it again. I said if it doesn't go lower, they're going higher. Once they did go higher, it opened up the door for 25 to 30, and we bought. Okay, went up, pulled back. We bought. I told everybody that the best price to buy would have been $12.50, but that you can start buying as low as $14.50, 15. And if you want to try to grab it a little bit lower, that's fine. 12.50s were actually filled, but we had people long everywhere in there, 13, 13 quarter, 13.70, everywhere in there. And it was just a beautiful trade. I went all the way up from 12.50, all the way up 60 ticks. Just a beautiful trade, and it happened in like 5 minutes. It was like a beautiful thing. And then said, look, that's about it. 25.30, it's about as high as they need to go. There was a short opportunity. I said, look, this is a little bit early, but they do want to come down. What I didn't want to do is I didn't want to miss this, which we didn't miss because we got it. But this down move here, which could have happened really at any time. There was a announced meeting that President Trump was going to have a unexpected news conference, and that's what caused the market to kind of just go crazy here, not just slow waiting. But before we knew that, I was expecting this, at least maybe not all the way down here, but a decent move. So I was willing to get short, and I told everybody, look, if we're getting short here, 17.50, I said we're going to add, and if we have to add to the trade, we're getting out, and we're going to lose some ticks. We're not even trying for break even, 3, 5, 6 ticks, whatever. If it comes down there, we just get out, okay? So it did. We added, we got in, we added, it came down, and it best case you could have done is got out 4 or 5 ticks loss. And I said if it comes back down there again, you hit it again. In fact, it came up, and it depending on the fill, some people didn't get taken out of this, but it came up right to literally 27.50, which would have been, if you got the worst price, it would have taken you out to the tick had you not gotten out and just lost 4 or 5 ticks. That was that. And then when it came down again, I said, by all means, hit it again, because I'm looking for the sucker to come down. We got that from 17.50. That was on the 1039 candle. Trade went down again, pretty short fashion, 3-4 candles. Went down 25 ticks, and then the thing just went dead. I told everybody that there was going to be some discussion around here when we found out about the Trump thing. It just sat here. When we were about halfway through, I said, look, the thing still wants to come down, maybe later in the speech. So if it triggers, we'll take the trade. Our next entry point was at 9.25. And I said, if they get to 9.25, boom, we're going to get in. Got to 9.25. Trade made over 30 ticks within 5 seconds. And then I said, if you're going to want more, you got to stick with this thing, give it some room. We closed the room. We hung out there for a while. We closed the room. Some people said they were still in. They were going to hold it. I don't know if they're still in. But I did give targets down lower. The thing did go from 9.25, 77.09 quarter. Another 60 plus ticks, it's kind of stalling right now because we're in the middle of lunch, but just a beautiful opportunity there as well. So that's what we did today. We're going to come back tomorrow, and we're going to do it all over again. Until then, everybody have a great day, and we'll see you back tomorrow.